Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am on my way to a new beach. I've never been there before. It's in Delaware. So I'll let you know how I like it. I like my hair. I'm asking for myself. This weather is no joke, and I hope you guys are staying cool. I hope that you're feeling well. But come with, today should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. But I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, we made it to the beach. We are heading up now. Lord, I almost died getting up that little baby hill. That sand is hot. Oh, it's cute. Hey y'all, so chit chat, get ready with me. We always start off with the brows, so we're gonna do that first. Oh, but how was your 4th? Mine was good. I'm currently in Virginia, but yeah, my 4th, it was good. Didn't really do too much. We saw fireworks, but it was nothing like crazy. So we're going to this outdoor mall, and then later we're gonna go, I mean, of course you guys are coming with, but we're gonna go to, it's called Hill Rock or something. I'm probably lying. Either way, we're gonna go there and we're gonna have a good time. I feel like this year is flying. I feel like the holiday season is about to be here so soon, and I am not ready. I am not ready. Oh my God, I saw like this meme where it's like, you could be fighting for your life financially and then you get invited to a birthday party or like a birthday dinner. Also, get into the tan. Get into the tan. Your girl's been out here, you know, living her best life, getting some sun. Yeah. All right, so as far as brows, they're done. Keeping it super simple. I don't know what I did with my setting spray, and that's not good. I think I left it in the car, but I kinda need my setting spray. So yeah, quick update. Setting spray, I brought it inside. Okay, we gotta get some more setting spray. I'm gonna see if we can make a run to Sephora. I really need to get color matched. Don't mind my makeup, okay? I'm like working with like my winter, spring, my winter, fall type of foundation. We gotta work on the concealer. It's a little bright, but either way, still looking good. Stressful, this hair is stressful, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, hold on, I got some pins up in here. Take that out. Let's do something. Never again, or at least not with this stylist. I'll tell you that much. Y'all, you see it. You see it. I can't. Let me go grab my scissors. Okay, so I can at least start to give y'all some backstory. So I have been wanting to get my hair done for some time, and there was this young lady I went to in the past, and I could not remember like her name, and I should have just went through my DMs. I was being lazy, but I somehow got sucked into, you know, looking at bohemian braids, and I'm like, oh, I think I want bohemian braids. I was looking around and I saw a few spots, but like there was no availability, and I'm like, I really want to get my hair done, right? So I happened to come across this young lady's Instagram, and her work looked good, and I'm like, okay. I see that she also had availability, and I'm like, that's what's up. And also someone that I know also follows her. So I'm like, you know how you feel like somewhat safe? No one's safe out here in these streets. I'm like, okay, well, if she follow her and I see her work, it looks pretty good. Like I should be fine. No. I'm gonna just say this. Never again. Never again. It's like, if you don't work out of a shop, I'm not coming. It's not for me. It is not for me, because people be having you any and everywhere. And I literally felt like I was about to get robbed at one point. We're gonna save this for another time. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later. We are at Carter's Mountain. We're about to look at the views and, you know, just enjoy outside. It's beautiful. It's hot, really hot. All right, so before we leave, definitely grabbing some peaches. For the first time ever, I had a donut peach, and I also found out that I love yellow peaches, which I've had yellow peaches for forever, but I never had a donut peach. And baby, delish, so good. So I'm gonna get some before we leave. I'm also about to head over here and grab some stuff. We're heading downstairs to go get a little drinky drink, because apparently they stopped serving alcohol at 6 o'clock. So I gotta show you the views over here. It's so beautiful. They got a drink. I got a drink. This is pineapple. This is honeysuckle. I had pineapple the other day. It's tasty. I think I like the honeysuckle better.
This mine's?
Yeah,
I like mine better.
that's fine because I like mine's better.
Nah, cut
I
that
just
out.
got an
They can't
apple
see me
cider
doing it.
donut. We're gonna try this.
This was a bagel.
You want a bite?
A bagel with.
I secured the peaches.